Hello there, my name is Edgar. Core by Premier Software has the ability to set up appointments for online booking. This will be through Core and its Online by Premier Software portal. Today I will show you precisely how to set this up for clients to book online. First, you will need to set up your appointments if you have not done so already. This area will also be where you set up options to book online. So log into Core's Manager application if you are a single site business or administrator if you are based across multiple sites. Under Appointments, click the Appointment Codes icon. A new window will appear. Click the green plus to add a new appointment. First, add the code you want the system to recognize the appointment under. For example, for cleansing back treatment, you may wish to write the code as CCBAC. In the description box, then add the name of the service, such as cleansing back treatment. Using the category drop-down menu, you can then select which category this appointment will come under, such as body treatments. You can then set the length, the wait time involved, the income center any payments will go to, any interval between appointments, lock the gender of the appointment, whether there is a room required, and so on. Make sure to enter any long description for what could be involved with the treatment. Once done, highlight the site this appointment will take place at under the Site Allocation section. Click the single right arrow to then allocate that treatment to that site, or the double right arrow to allocate it to all available sites. When you're ready, click the green tick. Next, click the Site Details tab. This will be where you can set site-specific details, including making this web bookable. Highlight the site and then head to the right. Here you can click the Web Bookable option. You can then set any other details as required here, including which staff can carry out the treatment. Click the back arrow once done. Next, we need to log into your online configuration portal. Head to the Help and Support button at the top of Manager or Administrator, click this and then About. This will show the serial number of your software, which you will need for the next step. With this in hand, head to www.premiersoftware.uk and click the Login button. You can then enter your serial number and the postcode the software is registered to, then click the Login button. Click the Web Booking tab and then the link to head to your online configuration portal. Here you can assign any additional details for your online appointments. Head to the Appointment Booking section on the left and click this. Then underneath, click Configure Settings. Here you can toggle whether to hide staff names when booking appointments, disable overlapping appointments, and plenty more. In the Booking Times section, you can set up the first bookable date and change how far into the future your clients are able to book. You can then customize what times clients can book online, breaking them down into periods such as morning and afternoon on a day-by-day basis. This diary availability can be set for each site you have, including any advanced booking options to allow bookings only on specific hours of your choosing, such as 15-minute, 10-minute, or 5-minute slots. Under Payment Configuration, you can then set to enable payments for appointments, as well as display prices within the booking confirmation screen. The confirmation email option will let you set up confirmation emails for those who book this appointment online. You can then set the email subject line as well as the details the client would need to know using the Insert field options on the right. This could include their name, the appointment booked, the date and time it is for, as well as the price. You can then use the Custom Text Area section to set any cancellation policy for the appointment and terms and conditions of booking. The final section worth mentioning is web links. This is useful if you would like to link clients to a specific area for booking. This is simply a matter of selecting which site you are based at, copying one of the links and then pasting this in a message to your client or even a link on your website. For example, the pre-selected staff member will link clients directly to place a booking with a specific member of staff. Simply change the X's or Y's at the end of the link to the staff member's name. Make sure this is written exactly how that member of staff appears in your core system. This same method applies to linking directly to service categories, services, and specific dates. These filters can even be combined for maximum effectiveness. Clients will then be able to book your treatments through your website. Clients will be able to see this appointment in a list of all others set up, or use search filters to locate the appointment for a set date and time from those you configured. Then it is simply a case of them entering their payment details to complete the booking. The client will receive the confirmation email you set up, confirming everything they need. Now you know how to set up and place an online booking for appointments using Core. If you have yet to experience Core by Premier Software, why not book a free presentation using the link in the description? In the meantime, you can find out more when you visit our website at www.premier-core.com, telephone our sales team on +44 01543 466 580, or email us at sales@premiersoftware.co.uk. Why not subscribe to us on YouTube for weekly videos on how to use Core and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as they become available. You can also follow us on Twitter at Core by Premier and LinkedIn at Premier Software Solutions for regular content. Take care and thank you for watching.